Hello grade 8 كيفكن اليوم؟ إن شاء الله تكونوا ملاح. We are going to start by the second online revision lecture. In this lecture, points to be discussed are the parallel straight lines and congruent triangles. Okay, these ideas you took already in grade 7, but we need to repeat some ideas. Okay, so let me start by parallel straight lines. So first, what do we mean by parallel straight lines? Parallel straight lines as x, y, and uv. We know that x, y is a straight line, uv is a straight line. If they are parallel, it means that they never intersect like this. Okay, they never intersect. So whenever you extend x, y, left or right, extend uv, left or right, okay, they never intersect. That means they are parallel. Okay. The line cutting the two parallel lines, which is called ZT, is called the transversal line. Okay, so XY is parallel to UV. This is the sign of parallel. ZT cuts XY in 2 points here and here. Okay, this line ZT is called the transversal line. Okay, so when a transversal line cuts two parallel lines, different angles formed. How many angles formed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Some angles are equal to each others. Okay, so in this lesson or in this idea, we will discuss what angles are equal to each others. Okay, fine. So observe these lines and observe the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 angle 1, 2. Let me color it by different color than this. Let us color it by red. By yellow. 1, 2, 7, and 8 are called exterior angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. All are called exterior angles. Okay. Angles 3, 4, 5, and 6 are called interior angles. 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are called interior angles. So exterior from outside, interior from inside. Inside, which means between the lines. Okay. So there's something called interior alternate angle. Okay, so we said from here that these angles that are inside are called interior angles. Okay, so we have a property here says that angle 1 equal angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4. This is called alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay. So any two interior alternate angles are equal. Alternate, it means this and this, 4 and 3. They are called alternate. So alternate interior, they are alternate and from inside. So 1 is equal to 2 and 4 is equal to 3. And sometimes we call it Z shape. How is Z shape? The Z shape can be formed like this. For example, Z, that. So the angles of the Z are equal, which means 4 and 3. Okay, so if we draw Z here like this, like that, this angle 4, this is angle 4 here, and angle 3 here. And the angles of the Z, are equal to each others. Okay, so this is the Z shape. So A and B here, for example, are equal since they are alternate, and if the Z is in this way, it's not necessary to be like Z as English language. It could be inverted, okay? It could be inverted. It could be upside down, like this, for example. Okay? Whenever you draw it, okay, this line and this line should be parallel, and this angle should be equal, and they are called alternate. It's not necessarily to be like that. It could be like this, flipped upside down. Anyway, okay? So, look at this example here. Alternate angles. We have parallel lines here. Look at these two lines. They are parallel. Okay? And this angle is equal to this angle. And this angle, which is here, is equal to this angle. So these are called alternate interior, and this are called alternate interior. Okay? Done. Let's go to corresponding angles. What do you mean by corresponding angles? Okay? Fine. Look at the shape here. Look at this shape. Okay? We have two parallel lines and we have a transversal line like UT. Okay? Fine. The corresponding angles, we saw in the previous part that this and this and this and this are called interior angles. Okay? And this are equal, this and that are equal. In corresponding angles, we have this angle that's here, this angle that's here are equal to each others. Okay? So, if we draw two parallel sides like that, and if I draw another transversal line in that way, so the angles that are equal to each others is this one, right, is equal to this. They are called corresponding. And also this one is equal to this one, also corresponding. This angle is equal to this angle, corresponding. This one is equal to that one, also corresponding angles. Yani one interior and other exterior, high interior, exterior. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle, alternate, oh sorry, corresponding. This angle also is equal to the angle that's here down. Also, they are called corresponding, and so on. Okay, this one is equal to this one, and this one is equal to this one. Okay, anyway, they are named here like X80. What is X80? Let's remember also, by the way, how to name an angle. Okay, so it's like that. Where is angle X80? Angle X80, X-A-T. This one. Let me color it like this. يعني this angle equal UBA. UBA. This one. Okay, so this angle equal to this angle. That's here. Done. Choose another color. XAB. What is angle XAB? XAB. XAB. يعني أنا رحت من عند X to A, then to B. What is the corner of this angle? It's here. So this angle is equal to which angle? UBA, UBZ, UBZ. So that one is down here. Okay, so the green one is equal to the green one here. Again, TAY is equal to ABV. So TAY, and this one is equal to ABT, angle ABV. Okay. And the last one, I'll color it by yellow. This is equal to this. What do we name this angle? YAB. فينا YAB is equal to VBZ. VBZ. This one. Okay. So this is the shape of corresponding. Sometimes we call corresponding or corresponding angles. It looks like the F shape. مش احنا قلنا الالترنate Z shape على الكورسبوندينج F shape. How F shape يعني F shape is like this. It's like this. For example, احنا قلنا this angle equal to this angle. So if you draw here a line like this, line here, so angle A and angle B are equal. And here also you can draw F shape like this. F shape could be drawn in many ways. It could be drawn like that, like the T. This is equal to this. It could be drawn like this. This is equal to this angle. Okay. It could be flipped. It could be upside down. but anyway, I need to memorize the shape of the corresponding angles, that this is equal to that, and so on. Okay. Fine. Now we need to remember some ideas about congruent triangles. Okay, 1, 2 triangles are equal. Okay, fine. Congruent triangles, property 1. Two triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle. Okay, let me color it like this: angle, side, angle. Okay, type 1. If a side with two adjacent angles in the first triangle are equal to a side and two adjacent angles in the second triangle. Okay, so if a side in the first triangle and a side of the second triangle are equal, and if two adjacent angles in the first triangle and two adjacent angles of the second triangle are equal. Okay, fine. How how it could be, or how could we see it on the shapes? Okay, fine. The same, I'll use the same colors here to show you how. Okay, if the angle side and two adjacent angles of the first triangle, okay, this is the side and these are the two adjacent angles, are equal to a side of the other triangle, and this side is equal to this side, and the two adjacent angles are equal. Where are the adjacent angles? The angles on the side. And this angle that's here is not adjacent to this one. Okay? So for this reason, we never called adjacent. هيدي adjacent وهيدي adjacent. Adjacent يعني it's beside it. Okay? لازقة فيه. هيك يعني stick it to it. تمام؟ طيب. Let's take another example. A side. Look at these triangles. X, Y, W and Y, W, Z. We have a side in common and we have angle here and angle here, angle here and angle here. So two angles, adjacent angles and one side. So it means that this triangle and this triangle are congruent by angle, side, angle. We call it angle, side, angle. Okay? Color it in that way. Angle, side, angle. One side and two adjacent angles. ما بنقول side angle angle، لا بنقول angle side angle by term. Angle side angle like that. Look at this shape. In this shape here, this shape, we have two triangles A, B, C and C, D, E. Okay? Type. This angle is equal to this angle. Why? They are vertically opposite angles. Okay? Right. This side is equal to this side. It's given. So how could we write it? So we write in triangle ABC and CDE, AC equals CE given. Okay? AC equals CE given. And also I'll talk about this, but I was talking about the shapes. Okay? Right. Here BAC, angle BAC. Where is angle BAC? BAC. يعني this one X is equal to angle CED is equal to angle أو DEC. Okay, so angle BAD equal angle CED given also. So we write the given first and then BCA, this angle, equal DCE, this angle. Okay, this is how to prove. Okay, this is how to prove. And then we write triangles ABC and CDE are congruent by side, angle, side. Okay, same here. We have BC equal QR given. Angle ABC equal angle PQR also given. angle ACB. If you have any problems in naming triangles, ask me if you please. Angle ACB is equal to angle PRQ. Where is angle PRQ? It's this. Okay, so for this reason the triangles are congruent by side angle side. Also here the same, we say that WY yes, WY is a common side. Angle XYW equal angle YWZ, it's given. Angle XWY equal angle WYZ. Yeah, this angle equal to this angle. Okay, so we name them. We should know how to name them. Okay. Okay. هلا رح ناخد second property اللي هي side angle side، يعني two sides and one angle. Okay. طيب خلينا نشوف. So we say that two triangles are congruent by side angle side. هون بالعكس، هونيك كان angle side angle، هلا side angle side. Let me color it بالعكس. هونيك عملنا color للangle by blue, so the angle here the middle and two sides. Okay, so side angle side. Okay, if two sides with their included angle in the first triangle are equal to two sides and their included angles in the second triangle, we call it side angle side. Side angle side, like this. Okay, right, let's see how. So we have a side here which is CB and a side here which is ZY are equal. Okay, the side AC and the side ZX are equal, and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so for this reason we say that they are congruent by side angle side. Okay, congruent identical يعني اللي مش عارف شو يعني congruent. Okay, طيب again look at this shape here. In this shape we have this side is equal to this side given, this side is equal to this side given, and this angle is equal to this angle by vertically opposite angles. We call them vertically opposite angles. اللي كمان if you forget it, you must remember that two angles in that way are called vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. Okay, again here we have a side here. Okay, in this shape we have a side here and a side here, a common side which is this one, yeah, this triangle and this triangle. We have two sides, and here we have QR as a common triangle, common side, and also we have this angle is equal to this angle as a common angle. Yes, not common angle, I mean the angle between the common side and the other two sides, so they are congruent by side angle side. Okay, so they are congruent by side angle side. Okay, we still have the third property which says that side side side. The two triangles are congruent by side 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 if three sides in the first triangle are equal to the other three sides in the other triangle, and which is called SSS. So we have three cases till now. We have angle side angle, two angles and one side. We have side angle side, two sides and one angle, and we have side side side. And that three cases بيكون triangles congruent يعني identical, same area, نفس الشيء. If you put the triangles above each others, you get the same shape. They fit above each others. Okay, so we have here, for example, this side is equal to this side. The second side is equal to the second side. The third one is equal to the third one. So they are congruent by side, side, side. Okay? So if you have the ability to prove in exercises, you have the ability to prove three sides are equal in two triangles, so they are congruent. Okay? طيب, here Just look at these examples. Say whether they are congruent, similar, or neither. Okay, let's see if they are congruent or not. Okay, uh, here we have three sides and equal to three sides, so it's side, side, side. Yes, they are congruent by side, side, side. Here we have angles, here we have three angles, but we didn't say angle, angle, angle. We said only side, 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 so no, they are not congruent. Here, two sides and two sides, one angle and one angle, but it's not the angle that's between the sides. It's that angle. That angle is not related to this side, so they are not. Okay, so it's not. Check this. Side here and side here. Side here and side here. And angle between those two sides are equal, so they are congruent by side, 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 side angle, side. Here it's not, since we have two angles, but look at this side. No, it's not related to this angle, so they are not. And here also we have two angles or two sides equal, but the angle is not the angle between the two sides. It must be this angle. Okay, it must be this angle. If this is equal to this, so they are congruent. But here in this case, it's not. So that's everything today. I hope you understood all the ideas. Never hesitate if you want to ask any question about the lecture. Write in the comments if you want, or send to me WhatsApp or by any another tool. Just ask when you have any question. Never hesitate. Okay. Thank you and bye bye.